So here we are, the Hankey Observatory, finally finished and ready to go, already producing its first images. I can actually call it an observatory because here is the telescope. Right now it's got manual on. Still have some cement here which needs to be put for the patio. Other than that, there's the catches that lock the roof, homemade because I'm too cheap to buy any. There's a second one, there's two of them, lock the roof into place. Some rollers, I have actually a load of these rollers. Anybody who wants to make an observatory, I've still got a load of these rollers over. Some scrap wood. My operations console, all the electronics, with this nice futuristic stand I knocked up out of some of the spare wood to hold it at the right height for the telescope, to give enough slack for all the cables to make sure that I can slew to all the positions easily. As many people know, this is my standard portable field mount that came with my G42 Observatory Plus mount from Gemini in Hungary. This is not the final mount that will be put in here. I will build a permanent pier. The pier will not be sunk into the ground. I've decided to go with a 10-inch tube, 4 legs, self-leveling, that I can build. It'll be heavy enough, I can fill it with some clean sand, and that will eventually replace this probably later this year. I've now powered everything up, so we're all up and running. Now we'll come round to the most important part of the observatory, the control centre. Maxim is running, and I'm just going to connect to the cameras and start them cooling down. And it's that easy. What I have done is I've taken this wood here to within roughly 10mm of the sliding roof. That's also been routed for a foam seal, which will be added later. As you can see here, I'm a little close, but this is quite flexible, so that's not a problem at all. And then here, of course, it's clear again. What I did find, I discovered last night when I used the observatory for the first time, is that the overhang, this wood, is catching here at the rear. So this is slightly lower, so I need to probably plane this or sand it just to take it up a touch so it doesn't catch when I roll the roof off again.